Hello class 11. I am going to start with your third topic, that is geometric progression of chapter 9. Now what is it beta? Geometric progression, since you have done arithmetic progression, what was there? You used to do like this. Suppose you are given, suppose I am writing this, say it is 2, let it be 5, then it will be 8, 11. What is the it? 5 minus 2 you are saying 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3. So common difference is same. You used to say that it is AP. Now what is the property of geometric progression, that is GP, short form is GP. Now what is it better? Suppose I have taken a series like or a sequence like this 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on, then 1 by 9 minus 1 by 27, this is 1 by 81 and minus 2 by 243. What are you seeing? What is the common in them? Now can you see 4 upon 2 is what? 2. 8 upon 4 is 2. 16 upon 8 is 2. So there what common ratio, we used to call it as ratio. But karna kya beta? Precede, this is succeeding, that is second term upon first term. ये भी आप अगर आप करो 2 upon 4 1 by 2, 4 upon 8 1 by 2, बट नो आपने करना क्या? दिस अपॉन दिस. सेकेंड उसमें भी जब आप ए पी यूज टू डू ए पी, तो अब भी आप ये करते थे सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट, फर्स्ट माइनस सेकेंड नहीं करते थे, सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट. तो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल डू सेकेंड अपॉन फर्स्ट, थर्ड अपॉन सेकेंड, फोर्थ अपॉन थर्ड. सो दिस इज वॉट here also first term is denoted as A, so it is 2 here, and common ratio is denoted as R. Common ratio is R, so what is it here? It is 2 here. Similarly, if you see it, this series, what is A here? 1 by 9, and common ratio will be what? Second term upon first term, so minus 1 upon 27 upon 1 upon 9. So ये upon वाला 1 upon 9 reciprocal, okay, it will be 9 upon 1, so it is minus 1 upon 3. So this is minus 1 upon 3. Common ratio is minus 1 upon 3. Now similar, so I have written here A is your first term, R is your common ratio, and here also beta L is denoted for last term. Now first term is what? A1 से, so this is A here. So अगर आप इसकी second term अगर आप इसी series में देखो, A is 2, R is 2, तो what is it? A is 2 first term, R is 2, so 2 into 2 is what? 4. AR square third term is what? 2 into 2 square, that is what? 4, so it is 8. So you can see this is 8 also. Similarly 2 into 2 cube, so this is 2 cube is 8 again, so 8 2s are 16, so fourth term is 16. So are you noticing one thing? First term A, that is R raised to power 0 here. Similarly like in AP, so A1 is AR0, A2 is AR raised to power 1, A3 is AR square, A4 is AR cube. So are you noticing that first term में तो R की power 0 है, second term में तो R की power 1 है, third term में तो R की power 2 है, 1 less than the this term. So it means AN, that is general term or nth term, general term of AP or general or nth term of GP, sorry not AP, of GP is what? AN is what? AR raised to power n minus 1, because n है तो एक उससे लेस तो n minus 1. So general term or nth term of GP is AR raised to power n minus 1. Similarly for SN, now SN is sum of the terms of the GP. Suppose you have to add them, 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, so you have to add them. So 4 terms you have to add, so n will be what? 4. So this is formula, directly we have found it out. This is A R n minus 1. आप इसको learn ही कर लो, no need to its derivation कैसे आए ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So A R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, where A is first term, R is your common ratio, n is number of terms you are adding. Similarly the same formula can be written like this also. इसमें से आप माइनस कॉमन लो, नीचे वाला माइनस कॉमन लो, कट जाएंगे, तो यू कैन दिस फॉर्मूला कैन बी चेंज टू दिस ऑल्सो, A into 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. So you can apply any of the formulas, but usually this formula we use to apply when R is greater than 1, and this formula we use to apply when R is less than 1. So it makes no difference, आप कोई भी लगा के बाद में माइनस कॉमन लेके you can do. Now I want to do with you the various important examples of this GP. All the examples of GP are very much important, and one another topic of GP is there, that is GM, like the one we have done in arithmetic mean आपने करा था. So ऐसे geometric mean भी होता है, जैसे arithmetic mean I have explained you in your Zoom class. So there is geometric mean also, but geometric mean I'll take it in next video. So for this video I'm going to take a few few examples related to this. Then we will take questions if you want. Now see, find the 10th and nth term of a GP this. Now 10th and nth term. What is this GP? 5, 25, 125. You can easily see A is 5, 25 upon 5 is again 5. So R is again 5. So 10th term means AR raised to power 9. So it is what? A10 is AR raised to power 9. So 10 minus 1 likha ya 9 directly you can write. So 5 into 5 raised to power 9, that is 5 raised to power 10. So nth term will be what? AR raised to power n minus 1. सो nth है तो उसको n नहीं छोड़ेंगे. सो दिस इज ए आर रेज टू n माइनस 1. बट क्योंकि 5 की पावर 1, 5 की पावर n माइनस 1, सो बेसिस सेम पावर्स कैन बी एडेड. सो फाइनली इट बिकम्स 5 रेज टू पावर n. अगर ये 5 की जगह समथिंग और होता 6, 7, 8 वॉट है तो फिर आप इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देते बिकॉज n वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व. Clear? Now come to this question. Which term of the GP 28, 32 up to n is this? Now this is important and good question. He said which term of the GP 2, 8, 32 and so on up to n terms is this? He said 2, 8, 32 up to n terms so on. Up to n terms is 131072. Now this. He said कौन सी टर्म होएगी आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट n हेयर कि कौन सी टर्म 131072 बनती है बेटा अप टू n. तो व्हाट डू यू डू? नो सी, अब हमें नहीं पता. जब भी आपने AP के भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस करे हैं सो यू यूज टू राइट दिस इज 32. यू यूज टू राइट कि आपको जब नहीं पता होता कि कौन सी टर्म है तो हम उसको क्या लेते हैं ए आर रेज टू, उसको हम nth टर्म मान लेते हैं जो टर्म नहीं पता. तो वी यूज टू डू इट लाइक दिस कि दिस इज आर nth टर्म. सो ए आर रेज टू पर n माइनस 1 वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट n हियर. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 131072. तो व्हाट इज a? 2. So 2 you can put here. R is again what? 8 upon 2 is 4. 32 upon 8 is 4. So आपको पता चल गया R is your this 4. 4 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 131072. Now you can shift 2 to that side. It will divide on going to that side. जब उसको उससे divide करोगे तो you will get this on dividing you will get 4 raised to power n minus 1 you can keep here, and on dividing you will get 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10, then again 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 6, 2 6s are 12. This. Now what is it? 4 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to, it must be some factor of 4. ये जरूर होएगा बेटा कोई फैक्टर. तो आप इसको लॉन्ग दिस वो एलसीएम वाले मेथड से अपना फाइंड आउट करो कि 4 से डिवाइड करके कितना. तो डायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग इट. दिस इज 4 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to, दिस इज 4 को आप 8 टाइम्स अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो इसको आप करो तो 4 raised to power 8 is this. Now what is it? Bases are same, powers will be equated. So this is what? N minus 1 is equal to 8. So it implies n is equal to 9. So this is the question like this. Now third example of this that is I am taking up. He said if in a GP third term is 24 and sixth term is 192, find the 10th term. So again easy. Third term is 24. So third term means how can you write its third term? This is, wait a minute. Third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Third term, how can you write? This is AR square. Third term, 1 less. So it is equal to what? 24. And your sixth term is given, so that is AR5. Sixth term A6 and third term A3 can be written like this, and this A5, AR raised to power 5 is your 192. He said you have to find out its, I think this is, you have to find its 10th term. So you have to find its 10th term, that is A10 means AR raised to power 9 you have to find out. Now you want to have with you A and R, then easily you can find it out. Now how can you find A and R? Now this is AR square is this, AR5 is this, dividing this. This is 2 say, this is 1. Divide 2 by 1. That is AR raised to power 5 upon AR square is equal to 192 by 24. This A goes with A, this cancels. So this is R cube is equal to, and you can find it out. This is, this will be 3, 8 are 24, then 3, 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. So 8, 8 are 12. So this is 8. So R cube is 8 implies R is equal to what? 2. So R you got 2. यू कैन पुट है, किसी में भी आप पुट कर लो, यहाँ पे पुट कर लो r को 2, तो दिस इज 2 square is what 4, 4 when goes to that side 6, so a will be your 6, so a is 6 here and r is 2, so you can easily now find out a r raised to power 9, you get your answer. Now then I am going to take up your 12th example here. This is, he said, find the sum of first n terms and sum of first 5 terms of the GP सीरीज़. सीरीज़ मैंने आपको पहले भी लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, जब प्लस हो जाता है तो वो सीरीज़ बोल देता है. सो दिस सेट कि ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज़ में यू हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स एंड सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. नो सी बेटे, formula you know about the n terms, so what is it? I am writing the series here. This is 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9, and now see what is your a. 1, 2 upon 3 upon 1 will be again 2 upon 3, so r will be 2 upon 3. You have to find out the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms formula you know, I have told you कि अगर ये less than 1 हो तो usually हम 1 minus वाला लेते हैं. तो this is a into 1 minus r raised to power n upon 1 minus r, because r is less than 1. I have taken this, but आप दूसरा भी लोगे, you can easily do it. So this will be a is 1 minus r is 2 by 3 raised to power n upon 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 3 minus 2, 1 upon 3, ऊपर जाके ये 3 हो जाएगा, 1 upon 3 is उल्टा करके 3, so it will be 3 into 1 minus 2 upon 3 raised to power n. This is your Sn. Sn तो इससे आगे नहीं सॉल्व हो सकता, बिकॉज ये उतना ही दिया हुआ आपको, दिस n दिया हुआ, तो आई कैंट सॉल्व इट फर्दर. बट फिफ्थ टर्म यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अब उसने बोला आपको सम ऑफ 5 टर्म्स, ये n टर्म्स का सम है, बट S5 इज डायरेक्टली कि आप n को 5 को पुट करो तो यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ 5 टर्म्स. 3 इंटू 1 माइनस 2 बाई 3 रेज टू पावर 5. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट हियर? 2 raised to power 5 is 32, 3 raised to power 5 is your 243, and 1 minus this 3 into this, taking LCM and solving it, you got it 3 into 211 by 243. This will be cancelled with 81, so this is 211 by 81 is your answer. So I hope you can do questions now. Now few one or two examples are left, and rather more I'm going to take them in the next video.